Hello, class. This is quiz number 2, the review, and this is Byron Bradford. And the question I chose for review is question number 3. And the question reads, if you want to find published cases that deal with a specific legal topic and you're searching rather in the printed reporters, how could you start your search? Well, you could focus on 3 key phrases or words here, and that's published cases, specifically cases, legal topic, and printed reporters. With that in mind, I can go down the list of choices that we have. And the first list was by checking the card catalog. Well, unfortunately, I remember card catalogs. They're an antiquated system of finding books in a library, and they consisted of drawers that were alphabetized. And in those drawers were 3x5 cards, something similar to that. And you could search for the book by author or by title, and that 3x5 card would tell you exactly in the library where that book was located. And so, as an old guy, I know that's not the correct answer. So, I go to the second choice, and that reads by looking in the table of contents of the code books. Now I can go back to the words that I focused in on. And we learned in class thus far that codes are laws. And remember, I'm looking for a legal topic. I'm not looking for a case. I'm looking for a legal topic. And so that would tell me that code would not be the correct answer for this question. Let's skip down to number 4. And number 4 reads by conducting a Google search. Well, I might be able to eventually come up with published cases that deal with a specific legal topic by conducting a Google search. Google might lead me to a Justia database, or might lead me to Westlaw, LexisNexis, so on and so forth. But when I remember I'm dealing with printed reporters, that tells me I'm dealing with a book. And Google is an electronic database. So that tells me that even though I might eventually find what I'm looking for in a Google search, that is not a printed reporter, rather it's an electronic database, and so choice number 4 is not going to be correct either. Choice number 5 says by looking in the index of the code books, and again, like choice number 2, there's the code again, and we know that we're dealing with laws, and I'm not dealing with a law here. I'm looking for a legal topic in a case, and so that rules out choice number 5. So I'll go back to the one that I skipped, and that's choice number 3, by looking in the digest. We haven't yet been in a physical library where we would see printed reporters, but when we go there, you'll see that each reporter has a digest or set of digest books, and those books on the binders are alphabetized. And for example, if my legal topic was search warrant, I would go to the digest that had search warrants in it. It might even start search warrants to something with a T or a U. So I take out that digest, and that's alphabetized also, and I'll look up search warrant, and it would lead me to cases, published cases, dealing with search warrants. So number 3 is the correct choice, and I hope this has been instructive for you. Thank you.